How to connect to wireless CarPlay. Please find and remember the Bluetooth name of your new screen device. Before connection, please ensure that the CarPlay option is turned on. Please turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Use your phone's Bluetooth to search for and connect to the new screen's Bluetooth.